The term guru in the real estate industry tends to have a negative connotation to it. Everyone wants to learn from the best in the industry, but fake or unethical gurus make it difficult to know who to trust. On this video, learn what a guru is, if a guru is right for you, and how to spot a fake guru. All of that and more coming up.
Go to 8weekacademy.com to claim your free copy of Jerry Norton's most popular training. In it, he reveals his blueprint for making $100,000 per year with real estate.
If you're new here, I'm Jerry Norton. I make millions of dollars a year wholesaling and flipping houses, and here on my YouTube channel, I show you how to do the same. So if you want to be a flipping genius like me and live your dream life, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. A guru is simply an expert who monetizes that expertise by helping others be successful. For example, I have a friend, Allison Prince, in Puerto Rico, where I live, who made millions starting and running e-commerce businesses and then started coaching others on how to do the same. She is now a successful e-commerce guru. Now, a guru can monetize on his or her expertise in multiple ways. Some more common ways are with home study courses, group and personal coaching programs, and live event and Zoom trainings, but there are less conventional methods such as sponsorships and affiliate income. Affiliate income is when a guru gets paid a commission for referring people to a product or service that they endorse. For example, some real estate gurus earn thousands a month in referral income from the real estate software company PropStream. Personally, I have my own software called Flipster that currently generates around $300,000 a month in recurring income. Now, another example of a guru monetizing his expertise is ad revenue from YouTube. YouTube is free for the consumer, but the creator gets paid to allow ads on his videos. The more views a creator gets, the more ad revenue he earns. Currently, as of this recording, YouTube pays me around $25,000 a month in ad revenue. Now, before we talk about the legitimacy of gurus and how to identify a fake, let's talk about the morality of the guru model. Some believe that it's ethically wrong for a guru to charge money or earn money for their specialized information. That mindset is extremely self-limiting, and I want to challenge that belief. While there are tons of free resources such as podcasts and YouTube, there are also paid products and services and expertise that can greatly enhance and excel your own ability to succeed. Leveraging a guru's knowledge and expertise can fast-track your learning and shortcut your success. Now, the right guru can completely transform your journey and propel you to new levels, and the more specialized the guru's information, the more valuable it is. For example, years ago, I was building my training business, and I really wanted to improve my email marketing. So I found the guru who I thought had the expertise I needed, and I contacted him and I asked if he would coach me. He said for $25,000, he would give me 8 hours of his undivided attention and tell me everything I wanted to know. So I wired him $25,000, jumped on a plane, and spent 8 hours drilling him on email marketing. Now, what he shared with me would have taken me years to figure out on my own. That happened 6 years ago now. Was it worth it? What I learned and applied has made me millions of dollars since then. Today, I have an email list over 1 million people, and I add approximately 20,000 new email subscribers per month. Now, I know that's an extreme example. $25,000 for one day is a lot of money, but never forget, the value of anything is only equal to the sacrifice you made to acquire it. Now, that's a very profound and life-changing statement, so I'll say it again. The value of something is only ever equal to the sacrifice you made to acquire it. Now, I've seen this firsthand with my own one-on-one coaching program. I routinely give away a free tuition to the program, and in every single instance, the free student does not do the assignments, does not show up to the coaching, and does not do the work. Why? Because he did not make a financial sacrifice. Therefore, he did not value the opportunity. Now, assuming the guru is legit, which we'll get to fake gurus in a minute, the reason why gurus tend to get a lot of criticism is often due to the student's lack of initiative or accountability. For example, the reason why paying my email marketing guru $25,000 for one day was a good investment was in part because I took extreme action. I applied his specialized information, and as a result, I benefited immensely. Had I not taken action, it would have been a waste of time and money. Now, I've been in the guru space for a long time, 14 years now, and my experience is that only about 10% of students actually take proper action to get a sufficient return on investment. Ask anyone who's been in the space a long time and they will probably agree. Now, the guru lives for the student who is hungry and willing and commits to do the work. Everyone is guilty of investing in education and then not taking action to some extent. Do you own any books that you haven't read? I know I do, but don't ever confuse what is really going on. My inaction to not read it or read it and not apply the information is what makes the $20 purchase a waste of money, not the guru who wrote the book. The problem is most people don't take personal accountability. It's easier to complain, justify, and blame the guru for your lack of success than to self-confront that you didn't take the proper action. Anytime you see someone blaming a guru for not getting results, just know there is a good chance it has little or nothing to do with the guru and everything to do with the student. One of the biggest arguments that critics make is that if the guru was legit, he would do the business rather than teach how to do the business. Now, I was just accused of this. Why do you coach if you're so successful at wholesaling? Well, first of all, clearly this person doesn't follow me because I give countless examples of active deals I do on my YouTube channel, and I make millions a year flipping houses. But more importantly, this person does not understand a universal principle called the law of income, which is you get paid in direct proportion to the value you provide in the marketplace. The more problems you solve, or the bigger problems you solve, the more money you will make. Want to make more money? Add more value. Remember, your life is not just about you. It's about contributing to others and making a difference in the world. It's about being true to your mission and purpose for being here on this earth at this time. I love what Buckminster Fuller said. The purpose of our lives is to add value to the people of this generation and those that follow. For me personally, I've gotten really good at monetizing my expertise in real estate, which makes me millions of dollars a year. And it's been an amazing and rewarding experience to help so many people be successful. By the way, if you want to know how much I make, stay to the end of this video and I'll tell you. So now let's talk about fake gurus and how to identify and avoid them. In real estate, as I imagine every industry, once someone reaches a certain level of success, some decide they want to monetize their expertise and become a guru. And again, a guru is simply someone who monetizes their expertise in some form or another. Well, every aspiring guru quickly learns how challenging it is to gain credibility and build a guru business. I remember talking to my friend Ryan Pineda when he first started on YouTube about growing his channel. He was just starting his journey and faced the same challenge all YouTubers face. It is hard to break into the guru space. I said to him, it's harder to YouTube about how to flip houses than it is to actually flip houses. By the way, check out Ryan's channel. He's doing all the right things and no doubt will one day reach 1 million subscribers in my opinion. So every year aspiring gurus enter the marketplace. In order to gain traction, they need to give the perception to the marketplace that they are a reputable guru who you can trust. Now, some do it the right way like Ryan and let their experience speak for itself and build a loyal following by providing great value. Others are either illegitimate or don't really have expertise or lack integrity to gain guru status in an honest, meaningful, and sustainable way. Here's how to identify a fake or unethical guru. There are 2 common tactics they use. First is the trying too hard guru. Now, this guru wants to impress you by showcasing their material possessions. Look at my car, look at my clothes, look at my watches, look at my vacations, look at my house. I'm a baller, you should trust me. Now, it's not having nice and expensive things that's the problem. There's nothing wrong with that. It's using it to gain credibility as a guru that should send red flags because it's easy to finance stuff and cool stuff doesn't define expertise and that shouldn't impress you. Now, a real guru lets his success speak for itself and doesn't use material possessions to convince you he's the real deal. I was just in Phoenix and my good friend and real estate guru, Pace Morby, who makes millions a year doing what he teaches, let me borrow his Prius to drive around. Now, why does Pace have a Prius? Because he's not trying to impress anyone and doesn't care what someone thinks about the car he drives. Now, the second common tactic a fake or low integrity guru will use is what I call the anti-guru guru. The anti-guru guru criticizes other gurus as a way to differentiate and gain credibility. Sometimes they target gurus collectively, and sometimes they single out and criticize individual gurus, or a combination of both. For example, the anti-guru guru commonly says, "Don't trust such and such guru because he only wants to sell you overpriced courses." Rather than earn your trust from their own results and expertise, they want to gain your respect by discrediting someone else. They'll say things like, "I'm not like him, I'm different. Trust me because I don't sell expensive courses." The problem is the anti-guru guru is extremely hypocritical because they are monetizing or attempting to monetize their expertise in other ways, such as ad revenue on YouTube or affiliate commissions from products and services like PropStream. It's also very short-sighted for the anti-guru for three major reasons. One, he makes a lot of unnecessary enemies. Two, since it's a negative approach, he attracts a lot of toxic people who also complain and criticize others. And three, every anti-guru guru I've ever known that trashes on gurus for selling courses eventually starts selling courses. My good friend and guru Carlos Reyes told me he did this approach when he first entered the guru scene. He said he picked Cody Sperber because he was the biggest guy in town and would publicly criticize him. Later, when he realized how foolish and immature that was and detrimental to his own success, he went to Cody and apologized. He went on to have an amazing friendship and business relationship with Cody and told me Cody has opened so many doors for him. Carlos, you're a stud for being humble enough to realize your mistake and make it right. So when you see an aspiring guru trash on other gurus, let that be a red flag. Again, a real guru doesn't try and convince you he's legit by showing you the car he drives or by tearing down others. His success will speak for itself. Now, aside from being the real deal, the biggest thing to consider when choosing a guru is if you resonate with their style, their personality, and what they stand for. Now, let me be completely open and transparent about my income and business model, and even how much money I make, solely for the purpose of establishing my own credibility as a guru in the real estate flipping space. Why? Just to be transparent. I make a lot of money as a guru. My guru model is unique, it's custom to my lifestyle, and it works extremely well. Currently, I don't actually sell any courses. I sell software, one-on-one coaching, and finder programs. In fact, both my wholesaling course and my fix and flip course that I used to sell for $1,000 each, I now include for free with my software Flipster. I also have a full-blown real estate investing home study course that I used to sell for $1,500 that I currently give away 100% free. If you want it, just go to 8weekacademy.com. By not selling courses, this has allowed me to give away everything for free on YouTube without holding anything back. I don't need to because I don't sell courses. I can't tell you how many people tell me they learn more from my YouTube videos than courses that cost them thousands of dollars. I also currently give away over 40 free different resources from guides, checklists, tools, scripts, software, contracts, and so on. I did a video that breaks down all of these different free resources. If you want to, check it out. I'll put the link in the description below for you. As of this recording, it's January, and I just finished reviewing my financial books for last year. Here's how it breaks down. Of all of my business ventures, my net income after all expenses and write-offs, my verifiable taxable income that I'm reporting to the IRS just for wholesaling and flipping houses in 2021 was just over $2 million. That's not gross, that's net taxable income. And that's not counting my primary residence I sold to Pace Morby for $1 million profit. So if you think that qualifies as practicing what I preach, leave a comment and say, "You crushed it, Jerry, you are a flipping genius." Now, non-deal income, including income from rentals, my funding company, my brokerage, my software, coaching, crypto, YouTube, and other business ventures, came to an additional $5 million in taxable income. That means I'm reporting on my 2021 tax return $7 million in total taxable income. All the glory to God, and I am humbled to have been so blessed. So if you want to learn more about me and how I went from dead broke living paycheck to paycheck to becoming a self-made millionaire in 3 years, watch this next video where I share my journey. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with over 800 videos. This is the #1 channel on YouTube for all things flipping, and I'll see you on the next video.